How to check your boarding position on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, here, scroll down in the Southwest Airlines website. In the website, in the front page, you'll find check-in. Press on check-in. After you've pressed on check-in 24 hours before flight. To do that, add your confirmation number and your first name and your last name. Press on check-in at the bottom. And after you do that, you'll find all your information. There, click on View Boarding Pass. And after you find your boarding pass, look for group or number. It will show up as A20 or B15, letter and number. And lower number means earlier boarding. So make sure you keep that in mind. This is how to check your boarding position on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.